Is someone walking on it?
Hey.
I know.
How do you know?
Because I was there.
You can get that right there. It looked weird.
That's okay. You fix it. I don't care. I just tried to look less ugly. It didn't work, obviously.
You didn't have
By
that
the
blended.
face you're making. I don't blend. I just put it on and hope that I look good enough.
Hi, I'm Logan.
I'm Cassidy. And we're gonna do the condiment in my fridge challenge, I guess. So I'm gonna be pouring them and Logan's gonna be trying them. Blindfolded.
I feel like that guy off of Fat Albert. Nose breather. I'll have a panic attack.
Maybe we should.
You poked me in the eye.
Start with this one. How was work today?
Pretty good. I petted a dog.
Did you? I gotta turn around so slow. Ready?
I guess.
Open your mouth.
Wait, I want to smell it first.
No, you can't smell them.
I have a really good nose.
No. Alright, your mouth here.
Sauce.
How'd you know?
Because it's salt. That's all it tasted like. My mouth is so dry. That's Sprite.
How'd you know? No, just kidding. I didn't show it. Alright, next we're gonna do this one. Oh, I didn't explain why we were recording in the truck. There's good lighting outside.
As everyone else can see. Let me roll down the window because I feel like you're just giving me garbage.
This one smells good.
Yeah, it did.
What is it?
It's kind of spicy.
Is it?
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. Tastes like a Taos. T-O-S. T-S-O. Is that how you say it?
Is it so's?
I don't know. But that's what we use for chicken. Are you supposed to eat that?
Oh, I don't know.
Is it safe to eat?
I don't know. I think the directions are in a different language. Or they're
The directions on how to eat it. Alrighty.
That was the stir fry sauce
Oh.
that we got.
Girl.
Try this one.
Is it mayonnaise? No.
Ew, no. I
Mustard.
wouldn't do that
It'd
to
be
you.
mustard.
Actually, you would enjoy that.
Why?
Because you're disgusting like that.
Is this one gonna be bad?
No.
I have a feeling it's gonna be bad because you took a long time.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, here you go. Why are you spitting them all out?
Because that's sriracha. There are no bad ones.
Yeah, no really bad ones. You didn't like
I don't even know if my window's down far enough. I'm probably spitting all over my window.
Just like the splatters.
God.
Like you're getting the big part of it out, but the splatters.
My mouth is burning.
Alright. I'll pour you a new one.
I'm salivating.
Oh. Ready?
Lime juice.
That was lime juice. How'd you know that? That one was pretty empty. It's not really a condiment, but we were almost out of it. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and use the rest of it for this. Cool down a little bit.
Look. Hey.
Ew. Close your mouth.
I'm literally
Gross.
salivating so much I could vomit.
Close your mouth, you sicko.
You better not give me sriracha again.
No.
That's your lying no. I know you.
No, no. You don't like it? Are you looking?
What is that? Do we have cream cheese?
No.
Sour cream?
Yes. It's
I'm just
sour
gonna wipe that
cream.
on the top of my truck.
Ew. We don't even have clothes. Slow and steady.
Teriyaki.
Yeah.
Remember that time that I ate the world's hottest thing?
The world's hottest pepper?
Pepper, yeah. Or hot sauce. Hot salsa.
No. Oh, yeah.
Something
salsa.
like that.
Yeah.
That was bad, but like, and like I almost threw up because it was so hot and painful. But like this is just a continuous, like it's like my lips are tingling. Are they red?
What are you looking at? Huh? No, they're the same color they were before.
Oh. Hot. Ew. That smells like sweet and sour sauce.
No. No, it's not sweet and sour.
What is that? I can't even think.
It's sweet and tangy. Sorry.
Ketchup.
Yeah. Ew.
Swallow
You
it.
like ketchup.
I like ketchup.
You literally. Oh. You're gonna regret that one.
Did I miss?
Yeah.
I had it on my chin.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am. I'm trying not to pour a lot because we gotta savor this one.
What is that?
You don't know what that is for real? By itself?
It kind of tastes like mayonnaise.
Really?
Yeah,
What else does
by
it taste
itself.
like? Maybe we can get the recipe.
I know what it is. Yum yum.
Alright, I got 2 more, okay?
Uh-huh.
For a hot sec.
Ugh, that sriracha spit just got down to my stomach.
Ready?
Ugh.
Ready? Ew.
Yeah.
He's looking. Okay, he left.
Well, at first I thought it was barbecue sauce.
What was it?
I don't know. That one I really don't.
General So's.
That's the first one I thought of.
Last condiment. You ready?
You know. Gotta hit me with a sriracha again.
No, I'm not at that. Yeah, take a big bite of this one, though, okay?
Is
Oh
it a
my
bite?
God, if I can get it open. There you go.
Is that? I smell poop. Like literal poop. It smells like Kronos farted.
Open up. Open up.
It smells like tuna.
It does smell like tuna.
Oh God. Okay, hang on. Let me brace myself for this. I feel like I'm gonna puke already. Alright.
Here you go.
Ugh. What is that? I still got it in my mouth. It tastes like turkey. Yuck. I spit on my window. I rolled in my window and there's some spit. There's also some spit. Lovely. Love that.
So which one tasted best by itself?
Probably the yum yum.
Probably.
Like it was still disgusting.
Probably Gabe's food.
Gabe's food. Oh God, the texture of that. It was terrible.
I know.
It was like gritty.
You were just trying to give him that, remember? You guys are pretty.
That was disgusting.
Like, big amount of them, right?
My mouth is still burning. Ew, I don't like how that came out. It looked like it pooped.
Make sure you guys are watching our next video. The name of our channel is the Mendez Family because we are going to be doing videos with Gabriel. So our first giveaway is going to be something to do with a baby. No.
Like and subscribe and comment.
What's your
I'm wearing
okay, we did a condiment video,
if-
so we should be like, what's your favorite condiment?
What's something for us to try? What's a condiment for us to try? I think we should just cut right there. Bye. Bye.
Bye.